Welcome. If you are preparing for your UPSC 2025 examination, some of the most important resources that we can refer to you is firstly the CSET Prelims Paper 2 material. So this material comes in 5 books. So you can select the respective segment that you need help with. Now, besides the prelims, you do have postal material for your mains for 2 subjects, 2 optionals, psychology as well as geography. So the psychology books are available at the link here. So you can actually go through the list of content and the topics here for more information. And for geography, there are a set of 4 books, that is the physical geography, human geography, geography of India, and more importantly one specific section which is just one question in your examination but really important, and that is geography through maps. Now this topic covers all the data based on 2011 census, which was one of the last census. However, every new content which is important and has been essential has been added in the solved PYQs on Doorstep Tutor, so you can refer all the addendums there for more information and details. So these are some of the informations that is available for your UPSC prelims and mains preparation. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back to us. Wish you all the best. You can also click view list of topics and view sample for individual content and information on each of the topic and content here. So that was for today. This is the number, our helpline number, where you can connect and ask your queries or concerns if any. So you have the list of topics, not just the basic models. For example, Weber's industrial location is one of the important models, but besides that you do have Hotlink's models and other theories along with Losch theory, and the same has been given for all the segments. So the arrow marks that you can see here are the topics that are very important and recent, so you can have a high probability for questions from these topics which are really important for the changing perspectives. Geostrategic aspects have been included, and politics of world resources become one of the very important topics in today's life. So prepare them well, practice them well. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.